The possibility of extraterrestrial life and the search for evidence of its existence have fascinated humanity for centuries. While there is no concrete evidence to suggest that aliens have visited the Philippines or any other part of the world, there are many people who believe in the existence of extraterrestrial life and are actively searching for evidence to support their claims. In this conversation, we will explore some of the key ideas and concepts related to the search for extraterrestrial life and the role of the Philippines in this field of study. There is no conclusive evidence to suggest that extraterrestrial beings have visited or made contact with the Philippines or any other part of the world. While there are many claims and stories about UFO sightings and encounters with aliens, these are often based on hearsay or unverified accounts. In the Philippines, there have been various reports of alleged UFO sightings and encounters with extraterrestrial beings. One of the most famous incidents is the Lipayan Cave incident, in 1954, where a group of young men claimed to have encountered a humanoid creature with long hair, pointy ears, and glowing eyes inside a cave in the province of Bukidnon. However, this story has been widely regarded as a hoax or a product of imagination. There have also been claims of sightings of strange lights and objects in the sky over the Philippines, but these can often be explained as natural phenomena, such as meteors or weather balloons, or as man-made objects such as airplanes or drones. It is important to remember that the search for extraterrestrial life and the investigation of UFO sightings is an ongoing scientific pursuit, and any claims of contact with aliens or their technology should be subject to rigorous scrutiny and investigation before being accepted as true. While there is no concrete evidence to support the idea that extraterrestrial beings have visited the Philippines, there are a few other stories that are often cited as evidence of alien encounters. One of the most famous of these is the alleged UFO crash in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947. While this incident did not occur in the Philippines, it is often cited as one of the most significant events in the history of UFO sightings and has helped to fuel the belief in the existence of extraterrestrial life. There have also been reports of crop circles appearing in the Philippines and other parts of the world, which some people believe are evidence of alien visitation. However, many scientists and skeptics argue that these patterns can be created by humans using simple tools and are not necessarily proof of extraterrestrial involvement. Overall, the idea of aliens visiting the Philippines or any other part of the world remains a topic of speculation and debate, and there is no conclusive evidence to support either side of the argument. As with any topic related to paranormal or unexplained phenomena, it is important to approach these claims with an open mind but also with a healthy dose of skepticism and to rely on evidence-based research and critical thinking to draw conclusions. While there is no scientific evidence to suggest that aliens have visited the Philippines, there are many people who believe in the existence of extraterrestrial life and are actively searching for evidence to support their claims. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, is a scientific field dedicated to the search for signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. One way that scientists search for evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence is by looking for patterns or signals in the electromagnetic spectrum that might indicate the presence of technology or communication from other civilizations. There are also many private organizations and individuals who claim to have had contact with extraterrestrial beings or who are actively searching for evidence of their existence. These individuals often cite personal experiences, such as sightings of UFOs or encounters with strange creatures, as evidence of alien visitation. While many of these claims can be dismissed as hoaxes or misinterpretations of natural phenomena, some researchers argue that there are still many unexplained phenomena that could potentially be evidence of extraterrestrial life. For example, some scientists believe that microbial life may exist on other planets or moons within our own solar system and that the discovery of such life would be a major breakthrough in our understanding of the universe. Overall, the search for extraterrestrial life remains a fascinating and complex field of study that is still in its early stages. While we have yet to find conclusive evidence of the existence of aliens, many researchers remain optimistic that we will one day make contact with other intelligent civilizations in the universe. One of the most famous initiatives in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence is the SETI at Home project, which was launched in 1999. This project involved using volunteer computers to process data collected from radio telescopes in the search for signals that might indicate the presence of extraterrestrial intelligence. Another way that scientists search for evidence of extraterrestrial life is by looking for biosignatures, which are chemical or physical signs of life that can be detected from a distance. For example, the presence of oxygen in a planet's atmosphere could be a sign of photosynthesis, which is a process that is typically associated with living organisms. In recent years, there has been increasing interest in the search for exoplanets, which are planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets in recent years, and many of these planets are believed to be located in the habitable zone, which is the area around a star where the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist on the planet's surface. Liquid water is considered to be a key ingredient for the development of life as we know it, so the discovery of habitable exoplanets has raised hopes that we may one day discover evidence of extraterrestrial life. Overall, while the search for extraterrestrial life remains a challenging and complex field of study, recent advances in technology and new discoveries about the nature of the universe have made it an increasingly exciting area of research. With ongoing efforts to search for biosignatures, exoplanets, and other indicators of extraterrestrial life, many scientists and researchers remain optimistic that we will one day make contact with other intelligent civilizations in the universe. While the search for extraterrestrial life remains a challenging and complex field of study, it is also an area of research that is full of excitement and promise. With ongoing efforts to search for biosignatures, exoplanets, and other indicators of extraterrestrial life, many scientists and researchers remain optimistic that we will one day make contact with other intelligent civilizations in the universe. Whether or not aliens have visited the Philippines or any other part of the world, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to inspire us to explore the mysteries of the universe and to seek answers to some of the most fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos.